Sito inasobanga tanzo guzo mna misomito. So banga tanza unso. Muna mesomito tutimona bonsieto musoba yena. Sito musoba yena. Bima betu moise kese mazono. Serviça e mambo makala bonsiku mazono no meka mambo mankembo babingi vavovanga vo mambo kasikapena mwana yakala bonsiku wanata muntu akakamuvumo kyandi ngoda vazavima
oh hapaka bantu bole menzambi nigokina fwete yanga la mumbelolo na munjadulu zabu Kembo kwa yahandi Sudiang kenchut sudiang zambi tutanga beto kuna kuma Congo Bungong keto leanda falanga piabiozo Fulame holo yeah Kembo kwa mfumo Wanamboka kunana roto emuko uta mfumure yelemu kayo yo tubutukanga Ngana yo, je vous entends pas.
tubutukanga
Est-ce que là-haut, est-ce qu'il y a des gens là-bas? Mais si.
tubutukanga
Ebelo mame, olo zankento gogo.
tubutukanga
Ngarale maloro, lili obolongo tubo.
tubutukanga
Tutakanga yo,
tubutukanga
alaya jorojo.
tubutukanga
Après, il est mort.
Zebelen zunganenje chimuna muna kechilombo jata. Beso mani mamweni mina kechilombo mona. Oko mani mashimbi di bina kechilombo shimba. Beni twali mweni mina kechilombo mona. Siye. Zebelen tunganenje muna kechilombo jata. Beso mani mamweni muna kechilombo mona. Oko mani mashimbi muna kechilombo shimba. Eni twani himweni muna kechilombo mona. Wow. Mtotonjo anelewe kana mabancho mamingime. Sambu bya bancho bya bingibye akanda manzo yicho mamingime. Totonjo anelewe akanda mabancho mamingime. Sambu bya bancho bya bingibye akanda manzo yicho mamingime. Jedi banza munzai nimeno kakakwana tekela. Jedi banza nzai sambu. Jedi banza tizuri ni zonza ni jokwe kwa konsono. Jedi banza timekwa ndiye mputu shomu nzai babingi te. Wow. Mtotonjo anelewe kana mabancho mamingime. Sambu bya bancho bya bingibye akanda manzo yicho mamingime. Totonjo anelewe akanda mabancho mamingime. Sambu bya bancho bya bingibye akanda manzo yicho mamingime. Minamona meno miamona mbwa miasuki na kuntima. Bwabunzebi. Minamona meno miamona mbwa miasuki na kuntima. Mingi mweni timani uchuni ni chana nzaka kwa zibele wo mtunga maneze mambo wa chaluwa. Mingi mweni timani uchuni ni chana nzaka kwa zibele wo mtunga maneze mambo wa chaluwa. Mingi mwenye oh mikusuti timani wo kwenzange every week more bandu. Subla meso tala domi yokane. Zimani wako nsomo kengele. Wako nenzala wako mbantwa. Wako ndile. Tinge. Simoni lombe kwa. Kami ngumi konga. Every week
Kiambote, Tata Mabiala. Kiambote, Tata Mabiala. You need to unmute yourself. I can't hear you, sorry. You're on mute. Yeah,
Can you
thank
hear
you.
me now?
How are you, Tata Mabiala? Kiambote.
I'm
Can you hear me, Tata
Cambodia.
Mabiala? I think you have some technical issues, huh? Sorry, I can't hear you. Hang on.
No, I can hear you.
Yeah, okay, you're fine. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, Kiambote, Ngizambote. If you are watching, thank you very much. We are Kikongo class online. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Republic of Congo. Thank you very much, Tata Mabiala. Tata David is not coming today. Tata Allen, maybe. Thank you. Okay, we went back to our last lesson. Doing a revision. Let's share my screen. Okay, so yes. Okay, lesson 7, section 2, more on bridging. Mpe. I remember Mpe. Tata Biala, yes? This one, yeah?
It doesn't mean you also. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, pay.
My
You
computer is
also.
freezing. Yes,
Ngepe
freezing.
is you also, right?
Yeah, you also, yeah. Ngempe, yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay. Uya besinga vewa lukau. Omonompe nzolele. Hang on, what's happened here? Where are we? Sorry. I think I did update my file. I don't know what's happened. Sorry, you know there's a typing. This O, see the O, yeah? NDO, yeah? Forget about that. It is a mistake, yeah? There's no O there. Hmm?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah.
Nzolele. You have, it is ND
Okay.
and Z. Don't forget about the.
Yeah, Nzolele. There's no
Yeah,
DO, right?
Nzolele, yeah. There's no O there. I did update my file. Okay, never
Oh, okay.
mind.
What about
Yeah, Nzolele, monompe Nzolele, vewa lukau. Oh
okay.
yeah. Okay, I'm going to. Oh yeah, Andy. Tata. Okay. I've already given the answer, but I wanted to ask about third person. Okay, you can do it, Tata Mabiala. Third person. He's going
Oyandi.
to be given a gift. Yes, carry on, please.
Oyandi.
Mm-hmm.
Oyandi basinga vewa lukao.
Now remember, ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au, obao. This is third plural,
Okay.
besinga. So we need third singular, yes? Oyandi. Mm-hmm. So B-E.
So is it
O. Mm.
is
Oyandi,
BE?
Osinga, Osinga verb. Remember Singa?
Okay. Oyandi osinga vewa lukao.
Osinga.
Okay.
Remember Singa in English? Singa is,
Yeah.
it is, how do you translate it into English?
Going.
Singa is will, yes?
Will
Singa
go.
is like,
Okay.
it is, this is the future. We say in English, I will do this. Isinga, in Kikongo, yeah, Isinga. Are you with me, Tata?
Okay. Yeah.
Oyandi
Omono
Osinga
isinga.
Omono Isinga,
And
yes. So this one is the third plural, Besinga, B-E. So
okay.
third singular is Oyandi
So
Osinga
Oyandi Osinga.
Osinga. Okay, can you try the first
Oya.
singular then? Talking about yourself. Mm.
Okay, what's the
I'm
first one?
going to, yeah, the first line. I'm going to be given, yes.
Okay. Um, Oyao Isinga Vewa Lukao.
Yeah,
Lukao,
yeah, yeah,
Lukao,
yes,
Lukao.
yes. Yeah, you need to change because we got Oyao. It is third plural, but you need to change ao to first plural. Sorry, first singular. You're talking about yourself.
So,
Isinga,
oh,
Isinga,
mm,
correct.
do
Try
I
to
change it?
change. First yao, yeah, Oyao, because this is the third plural. We're talking first plural, first singular. So you need to change this.
Okay.
Omono.
I
Yes.
don't know how.
Yeah, yeah.
Omono Yao.
Omono. No, 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 no. Forget about the yao. Omono. It is first me. It's me.
Okay,
I.
okay, okay, okay. That's what was confusing me.
Omono.
Okay. Omono
Carry on, please.
Isinga Vewa Lukao.
Yes, that's why I kept saying last time. Basically, we have two
Omono.
isinga. Yes, we have two pronouns. We have it is Kikongo. You know, it is Kikongo because see the translation in English. We just have one pronoun they. Yes, once. Yes, but
Hmm.
if you
Okay.
we try to translate it literally. We would say they going. Yes, are you with me, Tata? Maybe less. Let me go back. The first line, Oya obesinga vewa. Hmm? Singular, first singular
Okay.
will be omono, yes? That Mambia, are you there?
Omono
On the line?
Isinga Vewa Lukao.
Yes. Omono, what does it mean? Omono is, in English, omono?
I.
Yes. Then when you say isinga, the I on singa before singa is I as well. You with me? That
Yeah.
Mambia. Confusing. Is it confusing? Let me just try to use my
Yeah, I'm
word.
with you.
Let me try to illustrate here to make it easy for you. Uh, remember we remember ame aku andi, yes? Remember
Yes.
that? Yes, suffixes, yes. Let me try to share my file. Very important. I'm going to repeat it. Ame aku andi eto eno au. Yes, au. Okay. Let's stop this one. I'm sharing. I know you understand that. It's sometimes confusing. Let's see.
Yeah.
You remember this? Au ame. Sorry, not in English. Ame, aku, andi, eto. Yes.
Andi
First.
Eto Eno Au.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is what we call. In Bantu language, we call it. Remember, how do you call them? Remember. We call
Nah,
them. Oh,
I'm
la,
not.
la.
I forgot what you
You
call
know,
it.
so possessive, yeah. We don't call them pronoun because the way they
Positives.
use is not.
Okay.
We just call it possessive. We just possessive, yeah. But sometimes they can be pronoun. The other The other time not. But these are. Sorry, excuse me. I need to blow my nose. I'm cold. It is
Yeah,
England, no? That, that,
it's okay.
maybe it is London, yo. Before
Yeah,
yesterday was 30, today it is cold.
yeah.
So, yes. Uh, I need to look at this. This is very important. You understand Kikongo? Don't worry. You speak. You will speak Kikongo because this course is tailored. I mean, the way it's designed for you to speak. Remember, that's why we keep going over
Mm,
and over again.
yes.
Thing. No, no, no. This is wrong. Mm, there's no hurry. Yes. See, ame. I can say yame. Mm? Just remember
Mm,
the suffixes. Yes.
okay. Me ako andi eto eno au.
Yeah. Remember that. Remember this. Okay. If I say I put B here, I mean bow. Mm? Don't worry about the B. Remember, just remember your.
Bao.
Just remember the ow. Yes. Totally. Sorry.
Mm.
Yeah. No. Mm? Yes. We could say yeah.
So
No.
it's bao like you guys. It's
Exactly.
bao like
Third plural. Third plural.
you
Yes.
guys.
Them. Yes.
Oh, them, yeah.
Yes. I'm just putting the prefix because these prefixes vary. I mean, just remember your suffixes. Yes. We call them possessives. And this is according to linguists. I'm not a linguist.
Okay.
I'm teaching. Just teaching. And they are right. Okay. See that? Abel?
So it's like this.
Yes. You only just remember
Yes. It's
your
like yeah,
suffixes.
us
Hmm?
or it was like us. Be so like us. Okay.
Yes. But it depends what you depends on the when you say yeto. Yeah, you are right. Yes, yeto. Nah. Okay,
Okay.
I don't want to confuse. Just stick with. Just remember the suffixes. Because when you try to translate the language into another, this is a Bantu language. See, it's better to understand the context, the
Mm-hmm.
how words are used, not just as words are isolated. No, won't help you. Okay.
So you can see some. Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
understand.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yame. Remember, ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, ba, au. Yes. Some people say bow. Remember before we came live? Some
Yeah,
people say
I'm is like
bow.
me.
Yes, yame.
Mm.
When I put yame,
Yeah,
I mean mine. Yes, mm,
yeah, mine.
yame.
So
Mm.
Fumu Ame, my king.
Yeah,
Okay.
fumu ame. Yes. If I say I put here kiame. Kiame means mine as well. Yes, kiame.
Okay.
Mm. Just remember ame, aku,
So
andi,
what context will I use Kiame?
kiame. Okay, good question. Let me
Well,
see.
like what context will I use Kiame? Like in what?
Kiame, because kai, ki rhymes with, if I say kima kiame, kima means thing. Mm, Kiame,
Mm.
kima kiame. Mm. Just going to give you the
Mm.
golden rule. Kima kiame. Can you see a pattern? Kima kiame.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Kima means thing, yeah? Item, things. Kima kiam.
Okay, so my items. Kima kiame.
Yes.
Hmm.
That's why I keep saying just remember ame, because in other occasion, depending on the word, you would say, instead of saying ame, instead of saying kiam, you say yame. Remember when was that? We did it last time. Can't even remember the word. I think adverb, possessive. We did that. Yes.
Yeah. And then
What
what
was
about
it?
yeno? Because I know yan.
Yeah. Sorry.
What about yeno?
No.
Like
Third.
that's the only one I don't know.
Can you say it again? I can't hear you. Tate, Mabiala?
Yeno.
Yeah, no is a
Yeno.
second plural. Yes.
Okay.
I think we need to go back to the other
Okay.
lesson. Okay. Let me just give you a hint. Mm. 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 You remember this? Zimbu. The prefix depend on. I'm going to insert to put a prefix here to say that's mine, but the definition is the prefix here depend on the object, the class of object owned. Prefix,
Okay.
yes, depend. Are you with me? That's one there. I'm going to say
Yeah, I'm
Nzimbu.
with you.
Nzimbu is Nzimbu
I forgot.
money. Money. Yeah. Nzimbu means money.
Money.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Remember the definition. The prefix depends on the object owned. So I'm going to
Yes.
put a consonant here, but the consonant is going to come from here, from the first letter. Ignore N. N is there just for the nasal, yes? Your first letter is Z.
Okay.
So it becomes Nzimbu.
Zame. Zibu
Well
Zame.
done, well done, yeah. Nzimbu Zame.
Okay. Okay.
That's
Makes
why
sense
whenever I
now.
see
Better.
Ame Aku, always assume that the suffix is I mean, any word you see, let's see here. When I see Zame, think about the Ame, the suffix, yes?
Mm.
Okay, let's go back
Mm-hmm.
to, yeah, thank you that, Tambela, very strong boy, you're alone today, yeah? Okay, well, let's go back to the feedback, okay. Let me move to the next slide. Okay, we are Ubesinga Kosoka. Them, yes? Them.
Mm-hmm.
Oya Ubesinga Kosoka. Oya them. Now,
Oya
first,
ubesi baba.
okay, first, we're going by the same question. First, singular. You're talking about yourself? Omono, yes?
Okay. Omono isinga kosoka vava.
Omono isinga kosoka vava, yes. Omonompe,
Yeah, vava
zolele
isinga.
kosoka vava. Yes, omonompe, zolele kosoka vava.
Solele
Okay.
kosoka vava.
Yes, third person, third, change the first line into third.
So what's
Please.
third? Is it them?
No plural, singular. First, third singular.
Okay.
Just remember your suffix.
So
Ame, aku. Remember that. You need to remember that.
okay, so is a Oyandi.
Well done. Oyandi, Osinga Kosoka. Yes.
Oyandi.
Omonumpe.
Oyandi. Kosoka
Osinga.
vava.
Osinga
Osinga
Kosoka
kosoka
Vava.
vava.
Osinga Kosoka Vava.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. You're talking to me. I'm third. So third singular. Tell me I'm going to sit here.
Okay.
No. In this case, I'm going to eat meat.
So which one? Third.
Second, you're talking to me,
Did you say?
Tatalen, sorry,
Okay,
Tatalen.
you okay.
Yes. You one, yeah, singular.
Izengeye.
Yes. Well done, carry on. Ongeye.
Ngeye.
Ongeye. Oh, is always there.
Ongeye.
Ongeye. Mm,
Okay. Ongeye.
mm.
Is a stube
Osinga.
singer.
Ongeye, Osinga.
Okay. Ongeye Osinga Diambizi.
1 minute. I think I need to clarify one thing here.
Okay.
Remember, this is pronoun, yes, personal pronoun. This is as well. You need to change this.
Mm-hmm.
So we're doing twice. I mean, it is Kikongo. Like saying they are going. You
Okay.
say they twice. They are going. They are going. They are going. They going. Translation. Listen to the translation.
Okay.
So you're changing he oyao then be. Hmm? Because singer is your
Okay.
auxiliary. Yes. Singer just will.
Mm-hmm.
In English. So oya we change this. We change this and that on. Change ongeye then osinga.
Onge Osinga
Onge osinga
Diambizi.
jambizi. Yes. Omonompe
Yeah.
ising.
Diambizi.
Omonompe nze jambizi. Very strange. Oya obesinga kota munanzo. Them. Okay, now
Okay.
talking to you many. You are going to remember we're changing Oyao and Besinga.
Okay.
Please.
Onge Osinga Kota
You
Munanzo.
many. Yeah, good. But we're talking about the many. You second plural, not singular. You people are going to sit down. Are going to. mm. You people, you many people. Yes.
Oyaku. Is it Oyandi?
Remember, ame, aku, andi, eto, eno. Oyeno.
Is it Eno?
Yes.
Oyeno Osinga Manzo.
You have to use the second plural as well. Remember, let me try
Okay.
to put it.
Oye Nzo Aku. Is it Nzo Aku? Do I put it again?
Oyeno. Remember,
Osi.
two. 1 minute, please.
Oyeno Tusinga Kota Munanzo.
You're changing. Okay. Yeah, you done. You changed something, but two is first plural. You need the second plural.
Lu.
Well,
Lusinga.
we go there at the end. Yeah. Yeah. You're resilient. That's
Yeah.
good. Never give up. Yeah, Churchill is right. Never give up. Yes. Well done.
It's in there in my mind. I just have to think.
Yeah, because we are changing Oyao. I keep repeating myself. We are changing. We are using personal pronoun twice. You change Oyandi, then you change Besinga. Mm? You change syllable
Okay.
before singer. Yeah,
So
syllable
you
before
say,
singer. Mm?
so it's Oye no Lusinga Kota Munanzo.
Yeah, well done. Okay, now what about first plural? We are going. Remember first plural
We.
T. Remember
Is a
T. First
beto.
plural.
Oyeto.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's correct. Obeto, Oyeto, correct. Yes, yeah, carry on. Oyeto, yes. First plural, always T,
Oyeto
T.
Tusinga Kota
Bravo, well
Munanzo.
done. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oyeto,
Tusinga.
to
Yeah.
singa kota tamunanzo. Well done, Tata. Tata, you
Yeah.
done well. Okay, let me try.
Yeah.
Okay, Tata is not here, sadly, but we're going to. It is on dictionary, but let me try to a word. The reason I'm teaching this, we need to capture, to redeem our words. You know, there are words that have been used in Lingala, sadly not correctly.
Mm-hmm.
Very good words. I would say technical. How do you say it? Technical words? Yes. I don't know this word. What means that? Well done. How come? Okay, I'm going to do either. Yes. Please be careful. Try to listen carefully to my pronunciation because your pronunciation gives meaning to a word. See, Tata?
Okay, yeah. I know what you mean.
So we need to be careful. This is Kikongo. This is Kikongo. Yes, God forbid. Can you read that? God forbid. I'm going to read for you. God forbid in Kikongo says Sibavenda. Long vowel. Can you see that? Can you see that? It is on the.
Yeah.
I did send you. Remember?
Sila.
Can you say it
So
after me?
Siba is God.
Sibavenda. Sibavenda.
Sibavenda.
Sibavenda. Let me just put another different.
I think there might be a little delay.
Yes. We are struggling today. See the acute accent on I, yeah? Siba. You shoot up, then you land.
Okay.
Siba venda. God forbid, yes? Can you read, please?
Sibavenda.
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 Sibavenda, yes. Means God forbid.
Sibavenda.
Yeah, well done. Okay. You're a strong boy, brave boy, cockney boy. Thank you very much, Tata Mabiala. You need to check your is it laptop? I think that your mic is there's a lag.
Yeah.
There's a layer. Need to check. Okay, but you done well to turn the Tata Mabiala. When the Cambote, see you Sunday. Bye.
Okay, Matondo.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibudi matu umwidi ikonzo dienu. Eno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa. Eno luvo vangabo Congo diafwa. Bizata